Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. I'm back with another video today, and I'm going to talk about the worst or the silliest things I have ever purchased. So, it's not necessarily the product's fault, it's also my fault for making a bad decision. It's something that I won't use, I have never used, or I won't use a lot in the future. The first thing is this, and it is a Louis Vuitton card holder. Now, I don't regret this purchase because I know I'm going to use it in the future, but I haven't used it yet, and I bought it in July and it is November, so it's been sitting for quite a few months already. I've never once used it. It is a beautiful card holder, but I haven't used it, and I know I could have spent that money elsewhere until I really needed it. This one is not, I wouldn't say this is a silly purchase, it's just more I haven't used it that much. I still love it and I think it's beautiful and I'm very happy I have it. The next thing, this is probably the worst thing I've ever bought, and it's not necessarily designer, but it is a bench belt. Now, not only is this thing very ugly, it's tacky, it's just an awful purchase. This part is very, very heavy. So when you actually put this on your pants, it pulls your pants down. This is probably the heaviest belt I have. I've never worn it. I think I bought it for $60, maybe $80, and I highly regret it. It was just such a waste of money. I don't know why I bought it. Yeah, I can't even sell it. I put it up on eBay and nobody wants it. So if anyone watching this wants this belt, you can have it, just pay for shipping. Okay, the next thing is this denim coat jacket thing. This is also, it's not really designer, but it was a little bit pricey. It's from Banana Republic, and I bought it because I thought I was going to wear it to concerts, and it turns out I didn't go to any. So I literally have never worn it. It still probably has the tag, and now it's small on me, so I do regret buying it. I think it was like $200 or something, and even though it's a great product, nothing wrong with it, it just, I never wore it. So it was like a waste of money on my part. Also, if anyone wants this, let me know, leave a comment. It is a size small, and it is too small on me, so you know it fits tight. Next thing is this headband. So I bought it pretty much just because it says Fendi. I don't think I actually use headbands. I don't play tennis. I don't know. When I saw it in the store, I convinced myself that I need it and that I'm going to wear it a lot. But in reality, I haven't worn it yet and I don't know where I'm going to wear it. Like, am I going to be studying and be like, oh, I need a headband now? I don't know. The last thing is probably one of the silliest purchases ever. Not that there's anything wrong with the product. I love Clé de Peau, but the specific thing is a translucent peel-off mask, and it was $200. I think I used it maybe twice. It's a great product, and there's nothing wrong with it. I love Clé de Peau, they have amazing moisturizer. Hashtag sponsor me if you want. But this particular thing, I've only used it twice, and it is definitely not $200 worthy in my personal lifestyle for my life. I don't think I should have spent so much money on this because I used it twice. What's the point? You can go on Amazon, buy one, use it once, and that's it, you're done. This thing I do regret buying fully. Like, I think I should have bought their moisturizer instead. It's so much more useful. So yeah, those are 4 products that I regret. This is the only one that I don't regret, even though it was a little bit of a spontaneous purchase. I went in, the lady was like, oh, it's the last one. And I was like, oh, okay, it's the last one, so I need it, and I got it. I don't know. I know I will find a use for this in the future. This, not so much. The belt, definitely not, and that, it's too small. Anyway, that's my story. That's the video for today. If you liked it, leave a like. I would really appreciate it. If you have any comments or concerns, leave them down in the description, under the description below. Yeah, see you next time. Okay, so update on this card holder, or slash wallet. I actually use it every single day now. I don't know This video was filmed a long time ago, so now, looking back, it's kind of funny that I thought it was silly, but this card holder, I started using it every single day. It is amazing. It is a good size, a good fit, whatever. I might sell my other Gucci wallet now because like I don't really like that one anymore in comparison. This one is so small and so light, and yeah, it's just really well made, and I think I'm going to continue using this one every day.